What made you collaborate with MSU?
So basically, I had to go back to 35 years back. So I graduated from Ginde Engineering College, one of the premier institutes in India. And I took up a job as a faculty in NTTF Electronics in Electronic City. This was way back in 91. I joined as a faculty for conducting training program for like classes for, they had a 4-year diploma program. And so the difference is these candidates also do a work. They had a PCB assembly unit. So these candidates will be working in the factory partly. And they will be also exposed to soldering, soldering, those type of things. Whereas I did engineering from electronics from a premier college, I've never done a soldering. And when I started coming there and teaching the kids, and I found that quite a bit of challenge because the kids are more exposed practically, even though I had a theoretical knowledge, they are more exposed to the hands-on thing. So at that time, I thought like the whole concept of learning by doing, how important it is. So that kind of got into my mind deeply. And after that, I kind of worked in the across the globe and different places. Then I got into the recruitment and this area. Then I came about the work integrated program. So then I saw the great fit with being what is really the industry needs, okay, and how it helps the candidates also to grow. That's the back.
How many candidates are under a VICE program?
Currently, we have close to about 800 candidates. The interesting thing about this, our client is MRF, and so they wanted to have a program whereby they want to have not only the freshers into this program, they wanted also to have people who have been working with them for 2 years, 3 years, 10th, 12th ITI candidates, working with them to be enrolled in this program. Okay. And so this was basically they wanted to kind of give a career path for these. Otherwise, these people, they'll continue to work as in the same job role. So they look at both. And the other interesting option they also wanted to do is, there are few candidates who are like 10 or 11 or 1 year ITI. So they wanted to have, but they had a work experience of 3 years, 4 years in MRF itself. Okay. So what we did is like, because for enrolling in BWAR, you need to have a 12th or 2 year IPA. Right. Absolutely. So we worked with Medhavi to use RPL, and using that, even though if it is a 10th or a 1 year ITI, so the candidate was able to directly enroll in the BWAR program, which was a big win-win for the candidate.
So will you recommend this VICE program to other industries?
Yes, pretty much we are in discussion with like multiple areas. For example, into electronics manufacturing industry and BFSI, into the retail, facility management. So this can be applied for pretty much across all industries. Right. So, and so as a young nation, a lot of the kids have challenge in instead of going and studying a BSc, BCom, BA kind of a degree, and also going and studying for, we don't need so many engineers now. So we need people who can kind of get a higher education and also get a work. So this would be the highly recommended model for any industry can do.